morning, TTG. Good morning, fam. Good morning, guests. Good morning, gang. Whoever's watching the video, good morning. Love the commodities market as of late has been so volatile. I missed the crude ride down from 65. Look at this daily chart, guys. I mean, there's really no bounce attempt at all until we fell down to here. This was a day that we had the Iran conflict, and this is the coronavirus. So we've been sitting here consolidating here at 30. So let's look at a weekly chart here. And when we go to a monthly chart, you can see that we're at support. This is where we found support at in 2016. Okay, this is I played oil. So I'll be watching for a bounce of crude. A lot of oil stocks, guys, are going to be beat up. This same thing that happened last time. So now it's time to do due diligence into the oil sector to see which stocks are going to be able to make it through this downtrend in oil. Now, a lot of these companies have their oil hedged at $55. So we'll have to see what happens here. I'm going to be watching it closely. I made a lot of money in 2016 off this oil dip. So I'm looking to do the same here. Guys, we really need to see this 33.75 area hold, and really want to see 30 hold. We don't want to drop below 30. We drop below 30 and we could be looking at $25 crude, 28, and then 25. So watching for $30 a hold, and guys, we need to get back up over 35. Okay, that's where we had that gap down. To get up into the gap, we have to break up to 35, and to fill the gap, we'll come up here to 41.28. So we need to fill the gap up at 35 and then, push back up towards 40 on crude here. Natural gas, I'm really surprised it held 1885, really 185. And let me show you guys why. And this might be the bottom for natural gas. This might be the time for us to jump in here. Still waiting for the confirmation, the C word. You can see how we kind of put in this nasty wick here. Okay, and then we finally came back up. But look, guys, we didn't. Last time we came up in here and hit 2, we came right back down. This time we came up here and hit 2, and we put in a higher low. We didn't come all the way back down to this 170 area. We finally found support here at 180. So if we can keep on watching 180 act as support, looking for a push to test 2, and then up here to test 220. But we have to get up over 2 first and hold 1.8. And then gold. Do we keep on seeing a sell-off in gold as our markets start to bounce here a little bit? It was a safe haven. And everybody think that the worst of the coronavirus is over? Are we going to start seeing money pull out of gold and go back into the market? I mean, look. So you can see we're at this 1500 mark. Okay, we bounced right off of it. We need to see 1500 act as support. If 1500 doesn't act as support, we could come all the way back down, 1450. So watching for 1500 to act as support, looking for a push back up to 1560, 575, and then up there testing 1600 again. I'm a little bit surprised on this gold move. I don't think the markets are done, trading sideways, but we'll have to watch and see what happens here. Keep an eye on the news, and definitely keep an eye on these key support levels that we went over, guys. I've been trading, commodities for years, so gold has not been up here. So these are new support levels for gold that we haven't been trading, but crude Guys, these are same support levels from 2016. Natural gas, same thing. The longer you guys trade, the more you guys will start to feel the heartbeat of the market and of these commodities. So, interesting to see if we get crude finds a bottom here and we push back up, fill the gap. Natural gas also looking to fill the gap, and gold looking to see if we get a dead cat bounce or if we found the bottom, new temporary bottom for gold. Guys, a lot of volatility in the markets, okay? I start every morning at 7:30 with the Morning Colada Club. We go over what's moving and why. We look over at the commodity section. We look over at the news, what's affecting the markets. And then Mike, at the end of the day, recap has all the other data that happened out throughout the day. So guys, you at TTG are getting one heck of a lesson here in the markets. So take advantage of it, watch all the vlogs, ask all the questions that you can, because guys, this is what makes our room different than all the other rooms. So, all right, guys, here are some key support levels to watch for natural gas, crude, and gold, and we'll have to see how it plays out. All right, guys, everybody enjoy your weekend. Everybody relax. I am ready for a volatile week next week. Guys, let's kill it.